Welcome to Compare to Win. The Best Kids Tattoo Kit is probably one of the most exciting and creative ways to spark imagination in children, offering a vibrant world of temporary body art that allows them to express their unique personalities without any permanent commitment, making playtime more colorful and memorable for both kids and parents alike. Number 5. JCFIRE Summer Pool Beach Party Favors Kids Tattoos. Get ready for an unforgettable summer with these fantastic temporary tattoos. They are perfect for pool parties, beach days, and all your warm weather celebrations. Discover a huge collection of 102 unique styles. These larger, tropical Hawaiian luau-themed designs will bring a burst of color to any event. Whether you're a kid, a teen, or an adult, there's a design for everyone. They offer a playful way to express yourself at any gathering. Don't worry about splashes or sweat, these stickers are completely waterproof. They'll stay vibrant and intact throughout all your summer adventures. These temporary tattoos make excellent party favors and decorations. They're a simple yet exciting addition to any summer celebration or event. What we like? This set offers an incredible variety of designs with a fun tropical theme. Its waterproof nature makes it perfect for pool parties or beach days. If you are looking for extensive variety and durability for summer events, you should consider this option. What people say. Number 4. Fashion Angel Sparkle Tats Body Art Set. Unleash creativity with our kid-safe temporary tattoo pens. They are non-toxic, water-soluble, and free of harmful chemicals, ensuring a worry-free experience for everyone. These easy-to-use pens empower children to express their unique personalities in a fun and safe way. Whether your child loves adorning their skin with art or dreams of becoming a professional tattoo artist, they will adore this set. Its shimmery tattoo pens come in vibrant colors, visible on any skin tone, fostering endless artistic possibilities. This exciting set includes 6 temporary tattoo markers for skin, featuring dazzling colors like silver, purple, blue, green, orange, and pink. It also comes with 1 cosmetic-grade sticker sheet stencil, perfect for kids aged 8 and up. Tweens and kids will absolutely love these body markers as a holiday or birthday gift. It's also a guaranteed hit at parties, sleepovers, and summer camps. They are perfect for dressing up, cosplays, and Halloween costumes, adding sparkle to any occasion. From Fashion Angels, a leading designer since 1996, this set continues their tradition of award-winning products. They provide tools and inspiration to develop creativity and confidence in young minds. What we like? This kit empowers kids to draw their own unique designs with shimmery, washable markers. It's designed for safe, creative expression on the skin. If your child loves artistic freedom and wants to create custom, sparkling body art, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. Purple Ladybug Glitter Tattoos Kit. Unleash creativity with this amazing kit. It offers a fantastic way for children to express themselves with temporary, dazzling designs. With 175 vibrant designs, there's a perfect tattoo for every mood and occasion. Your child will love exploring all the exciting options it provides. Looking for a memorable birthday gift for a 6-year-old girl? This kit is an ideal choice, bringing joy and imaginative play to them. Designed for girls aged 6 to 12, it provides endless entertainment. They can enjoy creating beautiful body art with friends or on their own. These temporary tattoos are simple to apply and remove, ensuring a mess-free experience. They are a fun and safe alternative for kids. Beyond just tattoos, this kit doubles as a wonderful craft activity. It encourages fine motor skills and artistic expression in young minds. What we like? With 175 unique designs, this kit provides a vast array of glittery options for any occasion. The application is simple and results in dazzling temporary tattoos. If you need a comprehensive glitter tattoo set that makes a fantastic gift for creative kids, this one stands out. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Unable to select top 2 to 3 positive features or facts as the input source was empty. Number 2. 52 PCS Kids Temporary Tattoos. Discover a world of imagination with these delightful temporary tattoos. They are perfect for sparking creativity and adding a touch of magic to any child's day. This amazing set includes 52 pieces, offering a vast array of designs. From enchanting mermaids to mighty dinosaurs, there's something for every little adventurer. These versatile stickers can be applied to full arms, faces, or any part of the body. They are fake arm tattoos, providing a safe and fun way to experiment with body art. Designed for both girls and boys, this collection features popular themes like butterflies, cats, trucks, rockets, and planets. Your kids will love expressing themselves with these cute animal and vehicle designs. They make fantastic birthday gifts and are ideal for party supplies. Bring joy and excitement to any celebration with these tiny tattoo stickers. What we like. This collection boasts 52 pieces, including impressive full-arm designs and a wide range of themes. From mermaids to dinosaurs, there's something for every preference. If you want a large quantity of diverse, eye-catching temporary tattoos for various body parts, this pack is ideal. What people say. Number 1. Original Stationery Glitter Tattoo Kit. Unleash creativity with this fantastic glitter tattoo kit. It's perfect for adding a touch of magic to any occasion and bringing smiles to young faces. This comprehensive set comes with everything needed for dazzling designs. You'll find a wide array of tools and colors inside, ready for endless fun. With 24 unique stencils and 6 vibrant glitter pots, the possibilities are endless. They allow kids to create stunning, personalized tattoos with ease. Applying these temporary tattoos is simple and fun for everyone. The kit includes 2 brushes and adhesive for a smooth, lasting finish that's easy to use. Designed for children aged 3 to 8, it's ideal for parties, sleepovers, or just a fun afternoon activity. They will love expressing themselves with these colorful creations. Transform any gathering into a glitter-filled celebration. These tattoos are a fantastic addition to any kid's event or make an unforgettable birthday gift. What we like. This complete 33-piece kit includes everything needed for an interactive tattoo experience, featuring 24 stencils and 6 vibrant glitter colors. Kids can enjoy the hands-on process of creating their own glitter tattoos. If you are looking for a fun, engaging activity for parties or sleepovers, this comprehensive kit is perfect. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.